Hey Sendy friends, I am thrilled to announce the long-awaited release of Profiles. That's right, we finally made the switch from services. Services have been confusing and frustrating people for years because they never knew what they were going to get for every service added. We've gone ahead and simplified your setup, so now when you add a Facebook page, an Instagram business profile, a Twitter account, or a LinkedIn company page, you'll be able to post directly to the platform, pull in comment streams, and access reporting all in Sendible. That's the change at a high level, but now I'm going to go into more detail with the improvements that we made as part of this project. So the first is wherever you saw services before, you'll see profiles now. If you still spot services, please bear with us. We are making those changes. The second change is with Facebook. When you click Add Now, you'll see that this is a much more simplified setup. The reason being we wanted to make sure that you were getting the most value out of using Facebook with Sendible, so we just wanted to make it much more clear for you. Another change is with Twitter. Now when I click Add, it'll take you straight to the authentication sequence rather than giving you a list of different activities that you can use with Twitter and Sendible. The second major change within the profile section is actually how we recategorized all the different areas of this page. So for example, right now I'm on the social section. If I go into blogs, you'll see all the blogs that we are integrated with. The next is monitoring. So if you're missing some features of Twitter, this is where you'll find it. So make sure to head to monitoring for that. Finally, there's apps. Here are two of the most valuable features that you can use with Facebook. The first is the Facebook page loader. So if you want to connect Facebook pages in bulk, you'll just go to apps and then click add here. If you want to reconnect pages in bulk, this is where the Facebook reconnect is. So again, apps and then click add here. The third major change that we made is actually in the engage section. So if I go over here, you'll see that we've not only split the priority inbox and streams, we've moved it from the right-hand side to the left-hand navigation. The reason we did this is because there was a lot of confusion for people about the differences between the priority inbox and streams. The priority inbox is an overview of all your activity on all the social profiles that you connect with Sendible, but it operates on a delay because we conduct sentiment analysis on it. Streams are actually in real time. So whatever social profile that you connect, you'll see all the comments coming in for each individual stream. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what a completed profile looks like with all the different ones added so you can get an idea of what you can expect. Now that I've added a Twitter account, a LinkedIn company page, an Instagram business profile, and a Facebook page, you can see the further improvements that have been made. Our goal is to give you as much clarity as possible into the activity and all your different social media accounts. So at the top here, you'll be able to navigate between your home feed, messages, @ mentions, tweets that you've done, whatever you've retweeted, as well as followers. For a Facebook page, you'll be able to navigate between your home feed as well as your messenger. If you have any other questions, go down here into your announcements and you'll be able to get access to the product blog post where we go into more detail about what you can expect from this shift, as well as access our FAQ that our support team put together. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and I hope you enjoy this update. Happy sending!